How to make your face glamorous using caramel, chamomile and bees. The plant chamomile has been utilized for its beneficial skin properties for thousands of years. Chamomile appears in a variety of skincare products designed to relax, heal, and soothe skin in the ingredient lists of beauty goods. Its effects on the skin are explained by the high quantities of apogenin, an antioxidant. In this post we will see how to beautify the face using chamomile. What is the way of chamomile for skin lightening? Chamomile is referred to as natural skin bleach, which removes dark spots and redness on the face. What does chamomile obscure skin? People suffering from hyperpigmentation prefer many effective products that can help reduce their color changes and reduce the symptoms of the damage they have been experiencing for years. What are the ingredients required for making scrub? Take 3 chamomile tea bags, 1 teaspoon of caramel, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. How is chamomile applied on the skin? 3 chamomile tea bags worth of liquid should be placed in a bowl. To prepare a scrub, combine some caramel and olive oil. Soak this chamomile scrub in a cotton cloth and apply it on your face and neck. Then wash your face with cold water for 10 to 15 minutes and then wipe your face with a cotton cloth. What happens when you apply chamomile face packs on the face? The use of chamomile makes the skin smooth. This chamomile face pack is also used to keep pores in the skin and reduce the effects of aging on the skin. It also contains high levels of powerful antioxidants. It helps to brighten the skin. It contains antioxidants which reduce the appearance of dark spots and redness on the skin. What are the benefits of chamomile face pack using face? This chamomile face pack has high antioxidants. This is used to shield your skin from free radicals and other environmental aggressors. Additionally, chamomile has the ability to hasten cell regeneration, reversing previous skin damage and reducing the visibility of scars, fine lines, and wrinkles. How to soften blemished skin, using the chamomile and banana for facial scrub. Banana is an excellent skin-enhancing pigment. Bananas are high in nutrients such as potassium. It helps to improve the skin pigmentation. And bananas also contain many essential minerals, vitamins A, B, C and vitamin A. It is also high in zinc, which reduces dark spots on the face. It also helps in the production of collagen in the skin. Thus it helps the elderly to fight against the effects that they have on the skin. What are the ingredients required to make a facial? Take half of mashed banana, a handful of chamomile tea powder, 2 teaspoons of besan flour, and 1 teaspoon of honey into a bowl and mix well. Then wash the face with cold water and wipe the face with a cotton cloth, and apply the mixture on the face. Then after 15 minutes wash your face with cold water. How to make chamomile toner to help irritating skin. Chamomile is a wonderful ingredient for the skin. Also it often helps in skincare for more sensitive skin. It also works well in the form of essential oil. Chamomile brings more benefits to your skin, and this is the simplest way. Chamomile toner helps keep your skin looking good. What are the ingredients required to make chamomile toner? Take 2 teaspoons of chamomile tea bag and add 2 teaspoons of witch hazel and mix well. Take 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and mix well in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of honey and mix well. Now the chamomile toner is ready. You can try tea and chamomile beautifully. It gives a pleasant and very soft feeling on your shoulder, but it also gives more benefits to your skin when you use it gently. How to overcome the disadvantages of chamomile face pack. Although the chamomile face pack has many benefits, you should not have too much time while making this chamomile face pack. And this chamomile face pack can be applied to the face immediately after the makeup can get more benefits. This type of oil can be used by people with dry skin to get more benefits than those with oily skin. Everyone should become their own skincare expert. Bobbi Browns. Thanks for watching this video.